I'm so sorry. What do you do? Your mother.
We did it.
I repeat, cum does not work. Ow. Oh. I put my dick in a bun. You know what else is sneaky? Oh, fuck. I forgot to get the camera. No. I just ripped a fucking hole through space and reality. Show you my dog. I worry about where the bubbles are coming from my vagina. Like, if I would sniff this in real life, I think I would just undress. Fully. Bye bye, Goofy.
I don't know where the other hand is. I found one near me.
I didn't know you could do that. You can't prove wrong. You can't prove me wrong. Not me licking my lips as I find out if the statue has nipples. Well, you can break a penis.
Wait, are you gonna watch me whilst you shower?
What? None of you guys blow me, so. Sleece.
You will pet my fucking bird.
Fuck it. I confuse mothers with cum every time. Capture now, or I'm gonna kill you.
Yep. Oh, you can.
Oh shit, he's sturdy with it, bro. Oh shit.
Oh yeah. Big hug for your mum. I can't believe I just said that. I'm not keen.
Hey, relax. Oh, fuck that.
Her fucking boobs just started shaking. Thanks. Into the van. No. What?
Oh.
There's no shot. Someone in the science team just went, damn, that shit hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna call it sexy shrimp. Like, what the fuck? Hello. Welcome to Sunday Vibe Day. Welcome to the stream that is the stream that is on Sunday. Hello. Hello, Calico. Hello, Elastigirl. Hello, Crim. Hello, Schleeby. Crim, welcome back to Babushka's mansion. You're still much house grandchild. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the tier 2 resub. Appreciate it. Big hype in the chat. Means a hell of a lot. What waifu slash wonder would you like? And how are you doing? Hope you're feeling good. How's everyone doing? Hope everyone's doing good in general. Welcome. Give me Faye. You got it, Chief. Faedra. Where is Faedra? That's not Faedra, that's Stoops. I know he's here. There he is. There he is. There we go. Hello. Oh god. Bro, it's getting fucking warm again. God damn it. Oh god. Ay, ay, ay. Yes, hello. Doing some laundry over here? Ooh, how much laundry do we have? That's a question. Oh, God. Sorry, I haven't taken a nap, and also, like I said, I am dying of heat right now. I would take off my t-shirt because it's very warm, and I want to, like... That's what I've been doing for the past, like... Before stream and after stream, I literally take off my shirt because it's so fucking warm. But I'm not gonna take off my shirt on camera, so... I'm not gonna do that. I don't want you guys seeing my nipples. Doing good, kind of sad. It's the last Coral Island stream. I know. We'll get back to it at some point, but it's... We are literally on the last legs, to say the least. Wait, I'm gonna fucking... Hold on, I'm gonna change shirts. I'm gonna be right back. Because it's very warm for no reason. Hold on. I'm so glad the camera is off, so you don't see me half naked at this point. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay. We're back. Where's the camera? There we go. There we go. That's more acceptable for the pure reason that I have my shirt open and stuff, and also it's a little bit lighter than the t-shirt. Lasted 15 hours yesterday and 5.5 today before I had to get shopping done. Get back to it tonight. Got 30 hours left on the timer. God bless. Good luck, soldier. Need to keep on pushing. Need to keep on pushing. Fucking... I wish I had the kind of... I wish I had the kind of... what was I gonna say? I wish I had the, like, my brain power. I wish my brain could tell me to, like, oh yeah, stop streaming, and then continue, like, the next day. Nah. Gotta let that timer keep on going, bro. Can't let that shit like, fucking, can't take breaks. Fucking need to do it now. The most I've done for, like, a subathon is actually, like, take a nap or something, and that's pretty much it. Bro, I put my body on a rigger when I do subathons. Fucking timer goes down to, like, an hour left, and I'm like, okay, I'll just stay up until it's done. And then someone, like, gifts subs or whatever, and they're like, oh, you thought you were gonna take a break? No. And then the timer goes back up to, like, 4 hours, and then I'm just like, I'm just gonna fucking take a nap. Nope. Oh. You never catch me lacking. To be laundry bags, I'll take a couple of loads. Fair enough. I'm doing... Oh, hold on. No. Okay. Can't believe I'm a wife now. That's crazy. That's the same thing I'll say when I get married as well. But I will say, like, I can't believe I'm a husband now. Can you guys believe that in the future, I'll be a husband? I don't. Feeling more sick than yesterday, but I gotta lock it in for school tomorrow because I have a track meet after school. I mean, okay. I'm not gonna lie. You should rest. You should relax. You should take it fucking easy. You should not be like pushing yourself because you're ill and stuff. Please don't do that. Well. Also, even though we're sharing cows, I mean we're not sharing cows. Even though we're sharing the sheep, why does it have the sound effect of milking cows? The fuck? Really comfy. I am very comfy right now. You got that for the content, my stream brain, yeah. Not great. Not the best thing. I do need to rest a lot of the time. But my brain's like, nah-uh. Nah-uh. And I'm like, fuck you mean nah-uh? And they're like, nah-uh. My mom made sure that my dad called her his wife every time he talked about her after the wedding. Cute. What if I reveal now that I'm actually a husband? Imagine that. I'm gonna get a personal record. I usually get personal records when I least expect it. Well, now that you say that, you're expecting it. So you shouldn't have said it whatsoever. Because now you're like anticipating it, maybe. You shouldn't. What are we doing? Tea leaf? Go fuck yourself. Okay, so we have a week left, pretty much. So, yeah, we're speedrunning through this. We are speedrunning through this, and we are going. Oh, hello. We're gonna speedrun through this, and I'm gonna finish the stream when we're onto year 2. Which, I mean, here's the thing. We're nearly done. I have nothing to do right here. I'm kind of stumped. I'm just gonna fall asleep and I'm just gonna, like, that's it. What else am I meant to do? Oh, right, fuck, I need the fucking osmium corpse, right? And crops. Yeah. That's what I want to do. Let's figure out that first. Where is it? Okay. Crops. So we need to wait for these. Alright, well. Honk me moment then. Fucking, I don't know what else to do. I'll just walk around, maybe. Oh no, you're right, exactly. Since you said it, now you're expecting it. There's no point. You're risking that shit. So, oh no, you might as well rest up instead of trying to beat your record. Just a quick advice. Also, good news, I actually have 2 days left of school. I finish on Thursday. Yo, let's go. Wait, so you're gonna be officially... Was it done for the year, or is it gonna be... are you done for the year, or are you done for, like, with school full stop? The fuck is over there? It's done until I have 5K. Okay, cool. That's right. That's right. I forgot about that. Well, that's fun. I'm guessing you're gonna go hard for work now, then. You're gonna try to focus on as much as possible for work. VIP outfit. Blue cat hat. Blue cat hat. Explorer hat. Right. The fuck is up? Help. 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 How do I... Oh, I'm stuck. There you go. Finally an off day. How goes stream? Stream go well. How goes off day? Hello Nara, hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Oh shit, I forgot. I need to put up Phaedra here as well. There he is. Whoa, whoa. Here we go. Not really. Mostly focusing on editing and maybe one day work each week to get a new computer. Okay. Fair enough. I need to, like, do something for her. It won't budge. Wait, hold on. What do I do here? Well, I'm definitely gonna require some more editing from you at some point, Blue Queen. Whenever I can. Make the hot spring better. But how? What the fuck do you mean make hot spring better? I'm trying. Can one of the people that are in the chat right now look up how to make hot spring better on Coral Island? Maybe that's what we need to do. Update goes well, it'll have rain this morning, so I slept in a bit. I get that. Same. Fucking, it's been like rainy and windy in Poland, and I slept like until like 5:30 p.m. today. It's fucking crazy. Felt very, very comfortable. It was very nice, but I'm also fucking tired now because I usually take naps. And now I didn't take a nap because I woke up like trying to spend the entire day resting, so I'll be ready for tomorrow. Good, do that. Go like, you know, lay in bed, do the me moment, and then you'll be fine. And you'll be ready for tomorrow. Just wandering around, what the fuck? Of course I have a lot of time, but I've done with the 36-hour live stream, fair enough. Well, the another 24-hour stream will be happening soon anyway as well. Maybe it might become a 48-hour stream, but fuck knows. Don't think it will. Bathhouse is a hot spring run back to Keba. Is temporarily unavailable. The 2 hot springs restored the night after completes 2 offerings at Lake Temple. Becomes fruit. Where the fuck is the Lake Temple? See, there's still so much shit that I need to fucking figure out, and I still don't know how the fuck to do it. I just do it off stream, it's simple as. You guys won't see it, I will see it with my own 2 eyes. My special eyes. Alright, snooze moment. Can be completed at the Lake Temple located in the northeast corner of the lake in Coral Island. To complete a mythical dream quest and meeting the giants for the first time, the goddess will request your help. Complete offering. Oh. No. That's the okay, well. Water. Alright guys, I need to get myself another water bottle because this one's fucking empty. Hold on. In the span of... Hello? There we go. In the span of 5 days? 6 days? When did I go to the shops? No, when did I clean up? When did I clean up? Hold on. Let me double check. Okay. From Monday this week, I have drank 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 12 water bottles. I have drank 12 1.5 litre bottles. I've been drinking a lot of water. Because it's so fucking warm. Hold on, I'm gonna get myself another water bottle. Another water bowl. I need to put a fucking another water bowl in the fridge. Speaking of, my fridge is empty. I need to go shopping to get food. Anyway. I've drank so much water, man. I've been sweating so much. I've been dying. I'm trying to rest as much as I can. The problem is I need to close my fucking window every time I stream because I don't want my neighbors to listen in whilst I speak English. Because Polish people are very popular about spying in on people. Give me osmium. To yes. Alright, so we got 5 osmium crops, and yeah, alright, cool. If it was the plan at the moment, I've been drinking water for 2 weeks now. It does nothing for my cotton mouth. Bro, I've been drinking water like non-stop. It helps me out. That's for sure. Large milk. Guys, I got large milk. Excuse me, can I? There you go. I'm super hydrated. Yeah. Fucking same. 100% same. I'm super hydrated. I've cut down on drinking soda. I only drink soda now like once. Full stop. I only drink soda now, like, maybe, like, once a week. Or if there's a sale in the store for, like, getting 2 bottles of Cokes or whatever, I do that and I save myself, like, the other Coke for, like, another day. But, like, I just drink water now. Put myself on, like, fucking Orangeade the other day and I still haven't drank it. It's crazy. Cool. Can you speak Polish? I can. I've been born and raised in Poland. I mean, I've been born in Poland, raised in the UK. However, my family speaks Polish, and I myself speak Polish as well. Because I've been pretty much forced to speak Polish. Which is not that bad. Look. Time to go visit the merfolk. The merfolk. Hello, gamers. How's it going? I'm so proud of your hydration, by the way. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's been... Oh. It's been okay. Like, it's, just, I'm used to, like... Fucking, what's it called? It's like sparkling water and stuff. It's good. And like I said, I sometimes still buy myself, like, soda, like, once a week, maybe, or something like that. Once every 2 weeks or whatever. Just to be like, ooh, sweet stuff. Was it hard to learn English? Yes and no. Yes, because when I was like initially learning English, it was very hard considering there's so many like words you had to learn, etc., etc., and also from someone that only spoke Polish, learning English from a Polish person as well, learning English from fucking Disney VHS tapes. It's crazy. So I only knew the basic stuff at the beginning, but then once the stuff once I moved to the UK, I think it kind of went, like, I started to learn naturally, because I was basically left for my own, to defend myself, pretty much, I should say, where I genuinely struggled to speak the language, and at first there was a person that spoke Polish that was helping me out a little bit, but then they left the school, so I was like left to fend my own, and then I picked up the language, and then here we are. It was difficult at first, but then, like I said, I've picked up the language. I've picked up from like people talking and stuff. I needed to learn, because what else would I do? Well, the English is a tough language to learn. It's not. I think any language is hard to learn. There's a lot of languages that are like very hard to learn. I'm not gonna toot my own horn. Polish is one of the like harder languages that you can learn, for the reason that there's so many variables for like one word. And there's like the kind of like the feminine and the masculine side of words. It's a lot. It's a lot. So, yeah. See what you bought. Excellent. These are just right. There's a harmony in these ingredients. But wait, there's something missing. Of course, the riddle. In a dance of colors, it stands tall, neither plant nor creature, but a bit of both. Its sap gives life and binds them all. Precisely, they need sap. Let's go, I'll have the coral tree awaits. By the powers of the sea and the balance of the tides, gift us your essence, O coral tree, to bridge land and the ocean wide. The potion is complete, Olaf. Now quickly, you must hurry to Cho Oyu's chamber. You mean to your own chamber? Why would you... Yeah. Brace yourself, Olaf. May the ocean welcome you with open arms. Oh, I'm dead. Huh? Actually? That's fucking crazy. Holy shit. No way. No shot. French was easy. I gave up on Mandarin. Mandarin is difficult. I think any Asian language is like very difficult. Japanese is difficult. They're more difficult to like write, and with dialect, it's very difficult to write. I learned some Spanish recently through school to feel more connected to my culture. I'd say it's a tough language to learn. Spanish is, I think, I'd rate it's only difficult unless you make it difficult for yourself. It might seem difficult at first, but once you like get into the swing of things, it's not as hard. And also, the problem with language learning in schools is the fact that it might seem more difficult because what they're doing is basically just giving you words and sentences that you would use when you're in Spain, and you're not like kind of doing more conversational topics and stuff. It's hard to explain, but yeah. Mermaid Olaf, that's me. Got some Spanish, just through a lot of exposure, not fluent at all, just capable of conversation, yeah. Yeah. I think the thing with me, for example, would be like very good with communicating with like Eastern European languages, like for example, Slovakian, Russian, the languages that are like on the left side of Europe or right side of Europe. It's very easy for me to communicate with them, for the pure reason that their languages seem very similar. Don't know how to speak it, but yeah. Tuning into Merman, right on. Yes, hello. Hello, Oros, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, we're turning into the Merman. Yeah, so with the written languages and woke up to speaking Mandarin was just so drastically different from English. Yeah. It's very kind of like difficult. And like I said, with the dialect and with like the writing and how the words are kind of constructed, it's difficult. Learn more English watching stuff when I was younger than at school. Yeah. I think a lot of like youth nowadays know, like, if their main language is not English, they will learn English just by watching YouTube videos, in my opinion. I'm not even kidding. I think there were a few people that I've met online that genuinely just learn English because they watched YouTube videos. It's crazy. strong accent, but like, Jesus Christ, they're so fucking good. Doing okay, thanks for asking. Just got done with the day of work. How about you? I'm doing good, thank you very much for asking. I'm vibing, chilling. Very warm right now. But yeah, we just turned into a mermaid. Thank you for the hydration. I'm hydrating right now. Yeah, my throat was a little bit. Pardon me. Okay. Do you like it? I have a tail? Yes, you do. You make a fine merfolk, Olaf. Who would have thought? Now go, the ocean beckons you to explore it in new form. You're one of us now. Wait, am I... Am I now, like, fully a merfolk? Off to Sonic, I'll be back. Okay. Oh, can you get me a fucking... Can you get me some mozzarella sticks from Sonic? That would be great, thank you. I now mostly watch English content and do my English in English, by the way. And do my content in English, by the way. Working on a new publicity, but English is so much easier than French. Oh, 100%. Bro, English is so much... Briggs! Briggs with the raid. Yo, can we get a hype in the chat? How you doing, Briggs? How was your stream? What were you streaming? How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. For those who don't know me, hello. I'm Based Olaf. You might have seen me from Briggs' streams when we play Rainbow Six Siege. I am sometimes the best sniper that you've ever seen, sometimes probably the worst. It depends on the day. What the fuck are you? Hello? Who the fuck? But yeah, as I was saying, bro, I do my content in English because it's so much easier for me. If I started like doing content in Polish, I would not be able to communicate properly. I mean, I can't communicate properly when I speak in English as well, but at least I'm better in English than I am in Polish, which is great. Plus, if I spoke Polish and did streams in Polish, I don't think any of you would be watching. Imagine if I started like doing Polish streams, like Siemka ludziska, tu Based Off, jak tam wszyscy się czują? Mam nadzieję, że wszyscy są w porządku, wszyscy czują się git. Imagine that. I would physically cry. Can I go back home? Okay. Like, okay, cool. No doubt. Zero doubt whatsoever. And there we go, and then put this here. Cool. Then I ordered this. I still watch the support even though I wouldn't know what you're saying. Listen, it's okay, you don't need to lie. I think, like, the fact, like, trying to, like, speak a different language and stuff, and, like, watching someone in a different language, I don't think it's good. I don't think it's worth it, in my opinion. Honest to God, I think, like, I tried watching a streamer that spoke a different language. I think I tried watching, like, a German streamer. Could not continue watching it for the pure reason that it just, like, went to the point where I just didn't know what they were saying. And I also wanted to interact with them, and then I just didn't know what to say. So it was kind of just not really worth it, per se. Let's do this. There's no way in hell we can grow these now. I just grow trees then. Snake fruit, lychee, orange. Should we do... I want to do durians. Do peaches. I can do... Wait, hold on. Maybe olive as well. Cool. Never heard anyone speak Polish before, so I guess I'd be here for that part. Fair enough. Polish is a language. I think you'd be able to hear me speak Polish from time to time, especially when I was living back in the UK, oddly enough, because I'll be communicating with my mother. But apart from that, don't think you'll be able to hear me speak Polish whatsoever now. Hello, Johannes. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. And also, you don't need to be sorry. You never need to be sorry about being late. It's completely fine. You know how I am. Just don't apologize. It's okay. Best fruit in the fall grows in 28 days and the surrounding 8 tiles must be empty. Surrounding 8 tiles, you say? Can I? Oh, is that not gonna work? Okay. Gonna do this. I'm still putting up. My brain is making dial-up noises. Understandable. I mean, listen, my brain kind of does that anyway. My brain goes like... That's, yeah. What time is it in Poland right now? I'm in the US, and it's like 5 p.m. It's currently 11:26 p.m. Poland is 6 hours ahead of East Coast. 7 hours or 9 hours ahead of West Coast. So you. How are you? I'm doing well, thank you very much for asking. I'm vibing, I'm chilling. Very warm right now. Very, very warm. But I'm vibing. How are you doing? Hope your sleep was good. Whoa, money. Money. No, look, I need to make dinner. It's pasta. Ooh, fun. Enjoy your pasta. Make that dinner. So you're just streaming in the middle of the night, pretty much. It's not the middle. I mean, it is the middle of the night for me, but I'm used to it. It's like it's what I do. I since most of my audience is American. Since most of my audience is American, I cater to that pretty much. So I stream for Americans, since then I start streaming for them at 4. And other people, yeah. Hello. 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 Cool. There we go. Habibi. Yo, Habibi with the resub. Welcome back to Babushka's house. Still much house of control. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the resub. Thank you, Demon, for the gifted sub, actually. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. What waifu/Ubuntu would you like? And what? How are you doing, Swab? Did you win Only Connect? Like, did your ass get handed by Tekking? Boop 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 beep beep. Boop 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 beep beep beep. Cool. Your circadian rhythm must be crazy. What does that mean? My what? My who? My cicada. Rustage? Oh my god, Rustage with the raid. Yo, can we guide in the chat? Can I get a hype in the chat? Hello everyone, hope everyone's doing good. How was Only Connect? Hope it was good. Hello. Fortnite is a job now and shop, Steven. Welcome to the Slavsko now fishy slabs. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for appreciate it. Hello everyone. Hello Uds. Hello Shiro. Hello Ment Mage. Hello Lolix Guy. Hello Salsby. Hello. Hello Kisaron. Circadian rhythm is patterns of sleep. Oh, I mean, yeah, it is fucked. Hello. Oh, hello Benny. Hello Saul Lewis. You're from the Dark Forest D&D? From the Dark Forest D&D? Huh? Which one? Halt. A comedy of errors ensued. Oh no. Oh no, I need to watch it. Tekken got mopped. No, Tekken is a fraud Shrabi who roasted Rukia for no reason. Jesus fucking Christ. Lucario Man and Lolex Guy, welcome to the Slaps Good Now for She Slabs. I hope you enjoy. Stay thinking for a follow. Appreciate it. Highlights were taking failing One Piece questions and Strawberry mistaking Yato from Noragami for Supersonic from One Punch Man. And K-Saron with the 5 gifted subs to Hearts for the Stipendium, and Nora, Mr. Doodle, Cyanide, and Deanling. Welcome to Babushka's house. You now want children, slash grandchildren. I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you much for the gifted subs, K-Saron. I appreciate it. Big hype in the chat means a hell of a lot. Jesus fucking Christ, what is going on? What waifu sauce bundle would you like? Jesus Christ, there's so much shit. Hello. Hi. How's it going? Hello, Mr. Handsome. Oh, stop it. You're handsome. Hello, Lucario. I hope you're doing well. Actually, Lucario's put... Oh. Strawberry made Stargirl his enemy because of the fucking Noragami question. I'm not surprised. I'm not surprised. Came very late. Don't worry, I usually do that too. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. Maki, you got it, Chief. You got it. Where is she? Fucking... She's always here, but she's like... I need to fucking put my characters in one folder again. There we go. So, was it follow Noragami-stan? Yes, she is. She very much is. But yes, hello. Name's Olaf. Based Olaf. I wasn't a D&... I don't fucking know. I used to... hey, you guys ever watch One Piece D&D? You guys remember Olaf from... Olaf? The like the split die guy with the polar bear. That's me. I've shaved my hair now. It doesn't yeah. Scream Olaf because that's what Rustage did for your character. Oh shit, you're right. Olaf! There you go. That's probably his scream. That's probably how he screamed. Knowing Daniel, that's how he did it. From 8 Flames, that's the one. Goggles Luxio, welcome to the Slavs Good Now for She Slava. Slava, I hope you enjoy your stay. Thank you for appreciate it. Yo, Pepe the King Prawn from Stupendium's Unlikely Cypher 1. It's true. True. Very true. Very, very true. I was also Bobo in the Shonen Jump Cypher. People remember that. Hello, Benny. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Perfect. Nailed it. See, I told you. Well, like, listen. There's only one impression that Rustage ever does of me, and it's like... Oh! Hey! Woo! And that's it. That's all he does. That's all he does. Hello, also, I'm playing a farm game because I'm vibing. Not much else to say there. Rustage roasted me today. What did he say? What did he say? Don't bring that cipher up? Why not? I've had some of the best characters in the songs. Oh, true. Listen, I have Bobobo, Pepe the King Prawn. I once did... Hold on. What ciphers was I on? Hold on. Now I need to double check. Well, the I'm Dead cipher was obvious because that's the one I released. The fuck did I do? What ciphers? There's so many Wait, I could just look it up on fucking Spotify. Appears on, there we go. Shonen Jump Cypher, The Muppet Cypher, Pro Hero Cypher. I was the big guy. I forgot his name. Yeah, him. Magic Knight Cypher. I was Fuegolian. Haikyuu Rap Cypher. I was Asahi. Otaku 2021 Cypher. I was Poland. Represent. Gang shit. Oh yeah, the Fraujord Cypher. I was Olaf. Persona 5 Confident Cypher. I was I forgot the name of him, oh my god. Persona 5 Confidence. What's his name again? I fucking forgot. Jesus Christ. What's his name? Why did none of these fucking say their name? Oh, Iwai. There you go. That's the name. I was in a Apex Legends cipher. I can't remember who I did. Yeah. That's pretty much it. There's a lot of ciphers. He said my mods are all my friends and some random case there aren't. Fair enough. Very fair. Just vibing, hope your day is going well. My day is going pretty alright. Pretty chill. Very warm. Very warm. I am like literally like dying of heat right now. So it's very yeah. Oh, I was Gibbs. Yeah, I was Gibbs in Freshy's rap battle. And also I was Friar Tuck as well. Another Freshy rap battle. Crazy. Turn Jump Cypher, I'm Dead Cypher, Strawberries Around the World Cypher, someone's Black Clover, Captain Cypher, Fat Gum, yeah, Haikyuu Cypher, yeah, pretty much. Speaking of which, season 4 when? Soon. Soon. Very soon. Need to sit down and properly, like, not die of heat first. I might leave, season 4 until I'm in America so I don't fucking die of heat. If that's fine. So then I could have AC on and be like watching Haikyuu and then not be sweating from every fucking crevice of my body. Hello mate, how you doing? Gandaria. That's him, that's me. How you doing mate? Hope you're doing good. A random Viking in the Vikings June 1, right? Yeah. Just a random dude. That was very fun. I lived my Viking dreams. Something I don't usually do. Like pillaging! Am I right? And a pirate 2-time. Oh yeah, shit. I was and a wizard as well. If you ever watch Rustage's Wizard song and the Pirate King song, I'm in there twice. I'm one of the wizards that dies, and I'm one of the pirates that dances. That's it? Maybe? Fuck, I'm trying to see. Oh, I was in Stupendium's, Neef. I helped out on some songs. I'm going to be helping them out soon as well again. Not going to say for what song, because that is... I didn't sign an NDA, but I am not going to spoil that shit, because I'm not a bad human being. Unless someone gives me money. No, I won't. I still won't spill it then. I feel like then Stupendium would have to buy my silence every fucking time. They'd be like, alright. Punk. What do I need to do? I don't need to do anything anymore. I'm just kind of fucking roaming around like... Right. I'm off to take a nap, got the Indeed at 2 AM and work at 6 AM, so this is my only chance to foresees. Fair enough. Good night, take care of yourself, and I'll see you whenever I see you next. Sleep well, and have fun with the Indie. Hope it goes well. Stamina. Did I not... Oh, right. Yeah, I didn't make money today. Oof. Oh, wife, hello. Now that I'm your wife, you're my number one patient VIP. Hee hee. Hee hee. Hee hee. Alright, cool. Gives you money. The song is the song they're working on exactly. They're working on a song. Figure it out yourself. It's probably gonna be PvP session, so it's gonna be fun. Ooh, exciting. Very fun. Fucking hate PvP sessions in D&D. Well, let's go. I need hay. I need to give him a hay hole. Where is it? Hey. Hey. Then collect some eggs. Egg, lodge, egg. And then you sell it. Sell. Pet chicken? Wait, I didn't pet all of them? Now. Played D&D 3 weeks ago. I don't think my character was... Didn't think my character was powerful. Wait, what? What did you make? When you have a thief, necromancer, cleric, and a paladin in the same party, some divide is bound. It's happened sooner or later. Fair enough. What a fucking combination. Well... Good luck. Hopefully it goes well. Hopefully whatever side you're on wins. Nicky Nemo, hello, how you doing? Hope you're doing well. Welcome. How's it going, sister? I don't know why I said it like that. Sister. It's the best way I can fucking pronounce that one without, like, typing it out. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Just fucking... going through days, I guess. I don't fucking know. Oh, wait. Hold on. Is there any hardwood? Doing okay? How are you? I'm doing good, thank you very much for asking. I'm vibing, I'm chilling. I'll fucking say this every time. I'm fucking warm as shit, but I'm trying my best to survive. Let's go. I'm gonna play Paladin and Necromancer, join forces with Tiamat, so my side have more or higher ground narratively, at least. Fair enough, Jesus Christ. Imagine playing morally. Fucking, I don't think I've ever let morality get in my way for the indie. It's just fucking lawful, like fucking lawful neutral, but fucking kills everyone. I think we're kind of lenient with that shit. They just made a C tier, but they can tell us spices were drinking the blood and bunk a monkey with forearm until it left. Can tell us the spices were drinking the blood and bunk a monkey species. Jacksepticeye? I'm currently running a Star Wars campaign where Legends and Canon are colliding and my players need to re-kill Abeloth without messing up time more than it already is. Godspeed. I remember when I fucking made a Star Wars campaign. That didn't last long. It's less about morals and more about not siding with the final big, bad, evil guy of the campaign. But fair enough. I mean, shit. I don't think I ever have done that. Don't think I ever will, to be honest. Unless I've got a really, really evil character, which... Something I knew. Yeah, is that like what animal? Oh, species of the can tell a species by drinking the blood. Okay, fair enough. That is. How the fuck? Okay. I got apple seedling. I should probably do that. The cocoa. Cool. Crops. There we go. Legends has some really whack stuff, like there's a force power literally called Ben Spice. Space? Not Spice. God, I'm a fucking idiot. Yes, Ben Spice. My favorite, my favorite fucking... My favorite Star Wars character, Ben Spice. Fuck it. Fuck it. As Schwabby once said. In a song of his. Ooh. Whoa. Where is the... And then, okay, so we need. Cool. Bear with me just 1 second. Looks like our character would have a crazy time in a Chinese restaurant. Ben Spice. My first campaign, my DM wanted to make me the big bad evil guy by the end of it. Ended up not finishing it, but that's how I play D&D. Fair enough. Look, there were blood footprints, and as a joke, I said I can taste it and roll a d20, so yeah. Did you hit like a natural 20 then? Build my campaigns like an RPG dialogue tree, so it depends on the actions that they get taken. What happens next? Fair enough. I'm also almost always a forever DM, so fair enough. I mean, being a DM is not terrible, but sometimes you do want to play. Wait, did I plant everything? Wait. Whoa. I need to sprinkle silver kelp. Be right back, gonna get some silver kelp. Natural 20 after all, then 19. And bonked a monkey with a staff until I surrendered. Good Jesus Christ. It's like you're having fun with D&D then. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you. Silver kelp. Silver kelp. And fish. Yeah. Exactly. So I kicked from one of the older players. I joined the game and I was running stuff in order to gain intel for the character, but at the same time, well, my knowledge. Oh, okay. Interesting. The longest running character is a Pathfinder character. He's currently the god of time, but he started as a dwarf wit. Fucking hell. I don't think my characters ever went that far. Ever, full stop. One here. Okay, hold on. Bear me just 1 second.
Go. The first ever campaign I'm going to have fun. Good. That's all that matters. As long as you're having fun, that's all that matters, to be honest. It's wasted space, but we move on. What did I miss? Been trying to find people who play D&D near me so I could learn, but I'm having no luck. It's always good to like use maybe like online, if anything. That shit helps out a lot as well. With the Scarred Land settings, fair enough. I cheated. He went from a level 12 to God because I was DM and made him and I made him an NPC. Fair enough. Fair enough. That's something that I would 100% do as well. Phaedra, oh my god, everyone's raiding today. Phaedra with the radio, can we get our hype in the chat? How you doing, Phaedra? How's your stream? What were you streaming? How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Hello. How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Take the raids. I'm taking all the raids right now. All of them. One by one. Pardon me. I brush my teeth and I'm ready for a nap. I don't go now. I won't sleep all night. Go sleep. Take care of yourself. Have a wonderful night. Okay, Saron. But yes, how you doing, Phaedra? Oh, if you need to go to sleep, go eat. Go rest. Take care of yourself. Do that shit. Don't want to hold you hostage. Alright, I think that's mostly it. Water. Water. There we go. That's mining, that's fishing. There we go. Do I need for... This is scrap, right? Scrap into glass. Stone into glass. Oh, okay. I can use stone into glass? Brother, I finished the drawing practice. Sister, send it. Can't wait to see it. Stuff. There we go. Okay, eat time. Me. Me. Wife. Yo! Let's go! You look so good. Is it alright if I show it on stream? Because I always love to do that when people do drawings of Crosshair. If you don't want to, it's completely fine. So of course, let's fucking go. Look at him. There he is in all his glory. Looks like he died. This is like an in memoriam picture.
I look amazing.
You do look amazing, Crosshair. Rest in peace, Crosshair. You've been great. In memoriam right now. It's so funny. I love it. I love it so much. Listen, I love any fucking, like, I hope you had fun with it, Nikki. I hope you, like, actually had, like, a lot of fun practicing this. He looks like he's not a Phoenix Wright. I don't know, just the vibe he does, doesn't it? He looks like he's gonna, like, talk about someone committing crimes. You should absolutely go follow Nicky Nemo on Twitter. I'll never call it X because
it was me. I did the crimes.
He did the crimes. I'm not gonna fucking stop calling it X because yeah, but you should go follow Nicky Nemo. They're a great artist and also a good friend. Don't tell him I sent you. Music? Where the fuck did the music go? It's snowing. Bro, I wish it was snowing in Poland right now, man. I wish it was snowing in Poland. It's currently warm as fuck. I'd rather it be snow. Please. I want it to snow. I want it to be cold. Please. Just want cold. I just want the cold house. That's so much to ask for. That's all I want. Hell ever happen? Don't know. I don't think I haven't heard it. So don't think so. What the fuck is that emote? Nikki brain melt. You know what? Fair enough. Understandable. I'm not gonna question it. You live in Europe, so yes, that's too much. It's too fucking. Listen, my internet overheats. My fucking internet overheats, so it's struggling to fucking stay on. It's annoying as shit. I think it's time for a nap. I'll be back in 30 minutes. If you're still streaming, I should be. I'm gonna stream until I finish this, which yeah, it should be a few more hours maybe. Go take a nap. Have a good one. Sleep well. And I'll see you whenever I see you next. Egg. Pet. There we go. That looks like it's still watered. It is. Cool. Everything's watered. That's fucking cool. Alright, there's nothing else to do. Apart from... yeah, nothing else to do. Alright. Oh wait, let's see if we can find some hardwood. To be honest, here's the thing. I'm just trying to fucking extend the stream out as much as I can because right now, with the fucking way I'm going, I'm gonna finish like finish in quotation marks Coral Island within the next 20 minutes. And I'm planning that once I finish the stream. Once I finish that, I'm gonna finish the stream there. So yeah, there's genuinely like a chance that the stream might end in like 30 or so minutes. And then I'll just be playing this game by myself, off stream, never on stream ever again. Because we've experienced a lot of it on stream, and now I'm just gonna kind of vibe. Sleep time. Honk me moment. 3K. Goddamn. Alright, 2 more days. 2 more days until New Year. Happy New Year. Whipped up a little something special for you, and I hope you like it. What? What did she make? Did she actually make something? Is there something in the fridge? No. What did she do? She said she whipped up something. You liar! You didn't do anything! Fuck! Can't believe this. I've been lied to. Guys, what do you do if, cocoa beans? What do you do with cocoa beans, huh? That is my general question to you guys. What do you guys do with cocoa beans? For juice, pet juice. And then we do some this. Sell. Chocolate become Willy Wonka. It's pretty good, to be honest. I too would become Willy Wonka. Hey, fucking skedaddle out the fucking way, Betsy. I'm trying to fucking put Betsy. I swear to God, hold on. There we go. It's gonna fucking kick her out of the fucking thing. Chickens, hello. 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 Jesus Christ, they dropped the eggs like pretty fucking evenly here. Nearly evenly. Fucking just pick up the fucking egg. Pick up. There we go. I don't need to stress. No need to fucking stress. This game's stressing me out. Goddamn. How we looking? Water this. Gonna fucking water this as well. Even though I don't need to. We're vibing, stop stressing. I'm trying not to stress. Try my hardest not to. Alright. Day 26 done, I guess. Not much else that can be really done. Okay, bye. Sleep time. Oh, no, actually, need to sell egg. And milk as well. Milk, egg. There we go. I have 2 mayonnaise machines. I'm a fucking idiot. I didn't even realize that. Fuck. Alright. One more day. Go to bed. Honk me moment. It's because, oh yeah. Of course it's the kelp essence. Wife. Fucking. If I ever get fucking married, every time I wake up, I'm just gonna be like, wife. Starlet Town residents, you're invited to New Year's Festival tomorrow, winter 28 at 7 p.m. at the Hillside Vineyard. It's a time for the community to come together and enjoy games and fireworks, and for the lovebirds romance under the mistletoe. Bro! I am a lovebird. I have wife. Only if wife is standing over the bed like that. Yes, true. I wouldn't want it any other way. Oh, thank you for the hydration. I'm hydrating right now. Hello, Cosmic. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. Good gulp of water. Water. Yummy, yummy water. Juice. How are you doing, Cosmic? Hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. Alright, who's ready for the final day of Coral Island? Moo, moo, moo. Me when I'm trying to fucking put on my fucking slippers, dude. Dude. There we go. Gonna bounce, gonna go sit in the cool wet. Be safe all and be well. See you later, Johannes. Thank you very much for stopping by. I'll see you whenever I see you next. Take care of yourself. And goodbye. Take care. Egg. 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 Pet. 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 There we go. Alright. So that's everything done for today. Sell. Alright. And just like that, we're approaching day 0. Wife is still at home. You look spiffy today? You could pass as a winter decoration? Oh my, I meant you look nice. You don't look bad or anything. Have you eaten enough? Please make sure you eat meals on time. Something healthy to boost your immune system. Yep. I worry about you. It's like, bro, it's like listening to someone I know. It's like listening to someone I know very much. No one in particular, but there is someone in particular. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know who it could be. Beats me. Okay. Sell. Alright, so now we have the bond left. Yeah, we're actually gonna be finished, like... Right. That sounded like a fucking cow from Star Wars. Yeah, we're actually going to be finished within the next 10 minutes, probably. Because that's what I was planning today, and there's nothing else I really want to do today. Egg. Fucking pick up the egg. Thank you. There you go. Star Wars has cows. Like big cows. Like the... Oh, I forget the name of them now. I really can't remember the name of them. They're not cows per se, but they're like bulls more than anything. Alright, we speed up time. What time? Oh, what time was it again? The festival? And also, yeah, Star Wars has cows. Don't you remember the big fucking, like, thing that everyone was like, yo, blue cow milk? Let's over that. Yo, should I get myself a suit? Oh, I'm gonna wear a suit for New Year's. Fuck it. Oh, it's Sunday. Wait, do I have a suit? I think I do. Oh, look at them trying to do yoga. Bless. Only tangentially, I don't actually know. Yeah, they... Just look up Star Wars cow. There's a famous, like... picture, I'd say, of Luke Skywalker just drinking blue milk. Change. Yeah, fuck it, I'm going to my... I'm going in my wedding tux. Fuck it, why not? And now wait, and hold on. Settings, increase the game time speed. There we go. Alright, now we wait. So how's everyone doing? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's doing good. There's nothing else I can really do right now. Just need to fucking wait now. Well, you're just gonna stop the music. Also very warm. Cat is laying on me. That seems about right. That seems about right, to be honest. You should go and turn on the AC. If it isn't already on. They really stopped the fucking music, huh? Yeah, but then she'll get up. She's out cold. I'm playing Toby. You're playing with the toe beans? She's gonna... You say you can't disturb baby and you're playing with the toe beans. You are disturbing her. So I'm gonna go piss. I'm not gonna turn off the camera because I'll pause the game. So I'm gonna just... make sure I close the door and mute the microphone.
Go piss, girl.
Hello. There we go. Not the camera being like, we got you, bro. I saw it, like, focused on the wardrobe, didn't it? So, how's life? Let's see. Is the clothing store open? Did I turn it up? I did. It is open. Oh. I can buy the cow suit. None of these are good. I mean, this is fucking phenomenal, to be honest. I hate the shoes in this game, they're not great. No glasses. I wish there was a shirt with a tie. There isn't, but... yeah. We move... Alright. You know what? We're also gonna get a haircut. We're gonna remove the flowers from the beard. We're gonna shave up today. Fuck it. regret the flower, don't worry. It's gonna come back at some point. There was a hairstyle that I liked. That was over here. Well, apart from this one. I guess I'll just keep it with my normal hairstyle. Wait. We have thinned down. We have thinned down for this new year. New year, new me. Ladies and gentlemen. That's so easy. You ever want to lose weight? You go to a... you go to a store. You ever want to go strong and muscly and you wanna show off the muscles, but you cannot afford to go to the gym? Easy, just fucking go to your local barber. They'll hit you up. They'll be like, yeah, we can do that, and then boom, you're already thinning. Dog. Alright. And now we actually wait. Alright. Bro hit the gym. Yeah, we did. We should probably actually... Nope, wrong way. Wrong way. Probably put these into the wardrobe. Wardrobe storage, boom, boom, boom. There we go. Alright. We got news of the new kitten. We are getting them next Sunday. Yo, let's go. It's so close. You have them by the end of the next 24-hour stream. Actually, I keep on forgetting. I should have said Eurovision is on Sunday. So we'll probably be reacting to that if we do a 48-hour stream. I'm gonna like, oh, okay, Crisp Kitkin. Hello, by the way, hope you're doing well. Hope you're doing good. I'll post, for sure, post pictures, good. I'll be waiting patiently. Alright. And slow down time now. Apply. There we go. Pardon me. Oh, God. Oh, I'm so tired. I also need to get myself, like, some sweets. I've run out of sweets, actually. There we go. New Year feast. Hello everyone. Randy's prosthetic arm looks really interesting. I have an idea or two about how he can use it more efficiently. Theo singing, better not bother him. Wife, this is what I live for, the energy, the crowd, the music. Well, have you tried the cake? It's so good, I'll grab another piece. I'm so glad you made it to the party. Please help yourself. These pies are great. Briggy really went all out this year. I hope she will have them next year. These lights are blinding, but I guess it adds to the festive charm, eh? Everything in moderation, right? Olaf, too much pie will do you no good. That being said, this is my fourth piece of pie today. Oh well, do as I say, not as I do. It's really fun to talk about all sort of things with Surya. He's really passionate about his field. Maybe I can help with his research sometime later. Ooh. Gay? Gay? Oh gosh, Antonio's hugging all the amuse bouche. Somebody stop him. He's going to finish them all and I want some. Oh, Olaf, good to see you. We're working with Brie at today's New Year's party. The raffle will start soon. Mark, damn, I forgot about him. Fair enough. He's pretty fucking. He's a hunk of man. Let me tell you that. It's pretty cold. Good thing I'm all wrapped up. So, Bree hired to take official pics of today's party. To be honest, I would have done it for free. So nice of her. Dinda won't be happy seeing me get another piece of cake. Ain't that right, hun? I never forget about Mark. Mark, best hunk of a man. Evening, Olaf, you like pie? I prefer the wine personally. I feel like that's a pickup line. Evening, Olaf, you like pie? Looks like everyone's partying tonight. I guess I'll join the fun. Can't really focus anyway. I used to come here a lot for dinner parties, but for some reason the invites stopped coming. Don't know what's going on, but it's water under the bridge. Great party, by the way. Oof. It's crazy how the year goes so fast, eh, Olaf? I think the wine today made everything go faster too. Hee hee. Today's atmosphere is so festive, perfect for some wine drinking. Ben has a very interesting way of seeing things. These young people these days are truly something. I left my crystals out of charge before I came here. Wait, can I? Damn. Imagine if I could rob them right now. Imagine if this would be the perfect time to rob them of their fucking grapes. I mean, what? Nothing happened. Hello, Mayor. They do serve the best wine here. Let's call a spade a spade. Welcome to the party. I like your head. Did you do it yourself? Yes, I could tell it's homemade. Fuck is that supposed to mean? I always adore New Year's Eve dinner parties. We're ending the year with a bang. Welcome to our New Year's party, Olaf. Enjoy yourself. Everything here is so elegant, the winding atmosphere. I'm glad to see Alia today. She usually is away for training. Is it too early to say Happy New Year? Can you believe another year's gone by? It feels like we were just welcoming this one. I hope I'm wearing enough layers tonight. It's only getting started. I can feel the chill in my bones. Oh, it's good to see you all dressed up. You remind me of a young Blythe Moss. Fair enough. New year, new me, new stuff. Your stuff is mine now. Gimme. This punch isn't half bad. I found worse. Zara's stories are really fun. She should hang out at the inn sometime. You too, Olaf. How about making a New Year's resolution? Hang out at the inn and maybe spend some nights too. No, I have my house. You know what's better than the skate? Collaboration. Ling just told me about some interesting projects. No, I don't want to leave the festival. Wine, fireworks, it's a perfect ending of the year to the year. From here, everything looks so bright down there. It's kind of relaxing. Oh, I don't want to leave the festival. Why are you... What the fuck are you doing? Let's make some noise. It's almost time for the countdown. Why are you lighting up the balloons, bro? You want to light some sparklers too? I do. I don't want to come initially, but seeing everyone enjoying it now is overwhelming as I felt. Kind of nice, actually. Raj, oh my god, Raj is very cute, yeah. Oh, Olaf, here for the scenery. Theo and I used to play balloon game too, like kids. We always kicked the balloon way too hard and it popped. You know, we basically invented time to make sense of it.
Indeed.
Sorry I can't be there. Selling zines today. Here's all the money I made with PayPal. It was a very slow convention. Bye.
Sorry I can't be there selling zines today. Here's all the money I made with PayPal. Fondlin, you didn't need to give me the fuck your money, your literal income from PayPal. Should have kept it for yourself. Big hype in the chat, but what the fuck? My sibling in Christ. Should have fucking kept it for yourself. Also, don't apologize for not being there. Just... Alright guys, it's time to drink. It's time to drink sake. Let's fucking go. Wait, I was gonna say, wait, who the fuck is over there? Oh, monkeys. I am intoxicated. Don't drop the balloon. Practice. Let's practice this. Whoa. Nice. Championships. Oh god, okay. Let's go. Me versus Raphael. Let's go. Fucking go. Alright, it's me versus Frank. Alright, Frank, bring it on. Just like that, I am the winner. Motherfucker's the loser. Cloudy sneakers. Let's fucking go. I'm so good at video games. Alright, spin the wheel. Let's spin the wheel, guys. Seaweed. Fuck. Oh, pink diamond. That's pretty fucking good. Flip-flops. Candied tree saps or seeds, cookies, 50 gold, coal, 10,000 gold, air coral sneakers. Okay. 10,000 gold. Come on. Hit me. 50 gold. Okay. Not bad. Not terrible. Is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright. Happy New Year! Woo! Let's go! We did it! Why am I not kissing my wife? Hello?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Why did I not kiss my wife? Wife is sleeping with every piece of clothing. Bless her. $11K. Goddamn. Something watered your farm last night. What the fuck? What the fuck happened? Spike. Alright, let's see. Yeah, everything died out. Alright, we're back to normality now. Alright. Cool. That's it. That's it. Gotta go, phone's dead. Okay. Thank you very much for stopping by, Cosmic, and I'll see you whenever I see you next. Take care of yourself. That's it. We're done. We're done with today. We're done with Sunday Vibe Day. We're done with the day that we've been, yeah. It's over. It's done. Rest in peace, Coral Island. No more video gaming. No more Coral Island. It's been great. I'm very happy with I'm very happy that we spent like a lot of time with Coral Island. Because when did we start? Wait, hold on. Gonna look. YouTube. Based on VODs. Let's see. When did we actually like fully start? Based on VODs. There we go. Coral Island. We started Coral Island. Where's part 1? Part 1. 26th of November. 2023. Which is crazy. The day after my fucking birthday. This is now part 18, I think it is. Yeah, part 18 if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Part 18. And we've done a year. How long have I played this? 64 hours. Give or take minus the adventure that I started on my own. 60 hours of the game. Had big fun. Had amazing fun, to be honest. Enjoyed my time. Enjoyed my time very much. But that's gonna be it for me for today, however. I know, like, I wanted to do like a full stream today, but I'm gonna be real. Tired. I say I'm tired. I am a tiny bit tired. I also don't know what else to fucking do after I finish the game, so I'm just gonna sit back and just chill a little bit, vibe a little bit, to be honest. I'm also gonna fucking probably turn on the fan because it's getting really warm. So I'm gonna try to refresh myself a little bit. I would really love to fucking hop into a cold shower, but I can't right now, so yeah. However, yeah, we're gonna finish the stream here. Let's see. Brett's is streaming, so I'm gonna just raid Brett's. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for staying. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful day / night / whatever time zone you're in. Take care of yourselves, take care of your family, but most importantly, take care of yourselves. You've been fantastic, amazing, spectacular, cute, adorable, and just really fantabulous beings that live in this plane of existence. Yeah, tomorrow I'm taking the day off to relax a little bit, chill a little bit. Should be back on Tuesday, playing more Final Fantasy. And remember, next week, Friday, or the upcoming week, 24-hour stream, baby. Let's go. Can't wait. Anyway, I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourself. Sleep well. Or have a wonderful rest of your night. Make sure you follow Brett's. You make sure you say hello to them if you haven't already. And yeah. I love you and leave you all for tonight. Take care of yourself. Sleep well. Have a wonderful rest of your night. And goodbye.